Please welcome Diana Zubiri, Bobby Taylor, Aubrey.
I think it started with, kasi we were launched all together eh. I mean, hindi sabay-sabay, but then I was launched, Aubrey was launched, and then Diana was nung time na yun kasi kaming tatlo yung parang rivals sa pagpapasexy. Because you were with Regal, I was with Diva, and then you were with Seiko.
Oo, iba-iba.
So yung tatlong yun,
Diba, Seiko, Regal. Okay.
So as you all know, yung tatlong yun may competition before. So from there on, since sabay kaming launch, sabay kami for that year, kami na rin yung pinili na ng cover girls kasi tayo yung mainit yung pangalan.
So, parang pag ako nga rin siya nauna nag-cover, o kailangan ako susunod ko, tapos si Diana. Parang laging, pag may ako nauna siya naman kailangan, may parang gano'n
Parang
eh.
ikot lang sa amin nung time na yun.
Ang story po noon, wala kasi akong cellphone. So parang, ang sabi sa akin, kaya mo ba yung ginawa ni Aubrey dun sa shoot na hindi pinalabas? Sabi ko, ano doon? Tapos pinakita sa akin. Pero gagawin daw sa Manila kasi wala na kami sa Bohol. Tapos sabi ko, sige, pero kailangan bigyan niyo ako ng cellphone kasi bagong labas po nun yung may camera lang. Yun talaga yung hiningi ko sa manager ko. Sabi niya, sige. Pero kailangan siya permiso ko kasi nasa
Manila.
highway. Siya nasa highway po.
Sa EDSA yan.
Oo, sa
EDSA.
flyover ko.
I don't exactly need love to complete
At this point in your
At
life,
this point in my life. As long as I have my boys,
you're okay.
I'm okay.
Ganda. Diana,
I think if you respect na siya, lalabas na naman.
respect. Aubrey, ikaw.
Ako, pag may heartbreak ka, it's okay to fall in love again. Parang, if you, kasi they said diba give half-half. Ako, I always give full. Pag na-heartbreak ako, and then, pag may melt na lang yun, so I wanna give everything again. Ganon, ayaw ka ng half-half.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Sa inyong tatlo, sino ang madaling yayain sa giling?
Aubrey!
Sino ang pinakahabulin?
Lahat kami! Lahat kami!
Sino ang pinakabaliw sa pag-ibig?
Maui?
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagsabay na boyfriend. Dali, Aubrey. Boyfriend lang. Guilty or not guilty? May sinugod na babae.
Guilty.
Kami yata yung magkaaway na!
Is that lights on or lights off?
Lights off!
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate.
Wow. Best time for happiness and chocolates.
All day.
Midday!
Complete this. I'm in my 40s. I am still.
Pretty.
I am still.
Sling.
Fit.
I'm done here.
Saya. First time namin to mag-interview na tatlo kami. Usually kasi kami dalawa na buntis tayo.
So very exciting.
Parang ano siya, reunion talaga, and sa lahat ng nanood this afternoon at nakabili ng mga calendars namin and covers, super throwback to sa kanilang lahat.
Sa amin din, actually, di ba? Ngayon naisip ko, wait, ilan ba yung cover mo? Ilan yung cover? Meron pa tayong marami pa na mga
Inside, yeah. So,
Ako looking forward ako na ma-interview ko kayo sa vlog ko.
wala.
Kasi dapat yun yung original plan namin. Magkikita kami to collab, tapos biglang nag-fast talk muna kami. So,
Yeah.
And then maybe one day we can work all together.
Work together, yeah. That would be,
TV show or
an
movie.
ultimate goal, I think, sa aming tatlo.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the house. Click and subscribe now. You know.